Dreaming of a stronger, more defined midsection? Desire to boost your core strength? Well, you've come to the right place. A strong core is more than just a beachbody aspiration. It's foundational to your overall health and fitness. From improving posture to boosting athletic performance, the benefits of a powerful core are manifold. So, without further ado, here's the easy-to-follow guide to a core strengthening routine. Step 1. Warm up. A proper warm-up boosts circulation, prepares the muscles for the workout, and helps prevent injuries. So start with a light jog or skipping for about 5 minutes. Step 2. Plank. This is a staple in any core workout. Lie face down, then lift your body off the ground, supporting your weight on your forearms and toes. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute. Step 3. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, hands behind your ears, and legs in the air. Bring your right elbow to your left knee, then your left elbow to your right knee in a twisting, pedaling motion. Do this for 1 minute. Step 4. Russian twists. Sit on the ground, lean back slightly, and lift your feet off the floor. Hold your hands together and twist your torso from side to side. Do this for 1 minute. Step 5. Cool down. Just as warming up is essential, cooling down is equally vital. Stretch your muscles, take deep breaths, and gradually bring your heart rate down. So, to recap, the core strengthening routine consists of a warm-up, plank, bicycle crunches, Russian twists, and a cool down. Remember, consistency is key in achieving and maintaining a strong midsection. So find a routine you enjoy, stick with it, and over time you'll see the results you desire. And that's a wrap on the core strengthening routine. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. So start today and watch your strength grow.